Hey guys! Welcome back to Glitter and Nom Nom. I am Annette if you are new here. So today, what are we doing today? We are gonna be doing St. Patrick's Day nails. It is that time of the year and I am ready to get started. Let's move on down to my fingers. Alright, we got our base on the fingernails. Please ignore my GIMP finger here if you follow me on Snapchat at all. Then you're aware that I broke my nail, then patched my nail, and then did some stuff with acetone and melted the patch off. So I had to just cut it down, and I am way too lazy to build a new one. So I have primed and base coated already the things I'm going to be using today. For the green, I'm going to be using finger paints as if figuratives. This is a pearlescent kind of gold reflected green. For glitter, I'm going to be using a Sally Sparkle Effects. And for my gold, I'm going to be using the Nail Innovation Shiny Shades in Pot of Gold. Very fitting, and this is the color. I think this is one of my favorite gel colors that I own. So I'm going to get some 2 coats on. We're going to do these 2 gold and the rest of them the green, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we've got our base colors on. We've got some glitter packed onto that crappy nail. I've got my palette right here, and I'm going to take a blob or 2 of the green, and I'm just gonna plop that right there. Now I'm gonna take the big end of a dotting tool and go into that. On the middle finger, we're gonna go dot, dot, and then we're going to take the smaller end here and just do a tiny little stem there. And if you lose your leaves to the clover here, you can just pull them out a little more. This is just really subtle because the chrome pearlescent on top of the glitter is really in your face. So this is just kind of a light little focus on the nail. And then drag it out. And there we go. That'll probably be easier to see in the pictures, but we've got a little clover there. All right, let's get some top coat on here. So there we have it. The most sparkly in-your-face St. Patrick's Day nails in the world, short of using Swarovski crystals, which we could have done.